It was unintentional that I'm going to do this video because I did not even notice that I had so many parcels already that I haven't opened. So why not? Let's do an unboxing video that I am going to share with you and why I decided to buy these things, which are all Gunpla essentials. Hi everyone! All of these things that I'm going to show with you are things that I'm going to use which are important into my hobby as a Gunpla collector. So I hope that you're going to watch this video and enjoy everything that we are going to talk about here. I'm sure that all of these things that I'm going to share with you, that's why I'm calling it essential, because these are important in your Gunpla habit. I'm going to share with you all of these Gunpla essential things that you should have in order for you to have an easy, convenient, and happy building of a Gunpla. Okay? So in opening this one, what will I need? Hinahanap ko yung tool that gagamitin ko, pero here.
And this is how it ends.
Okay, so syempre, of course, what we need in opening our parcels ay ang ating gunting. However, reminder po ha, if there are children who are watching this video, just a gentle reminder from Teacher Noy, please seek for your parents or someone older, someone who is older than you, who will guide you while you are using things like this one para iwas sugat. Okay, so let's start. Let's start opening. I have here this, pero hindi ko na kailangan siya. Parang I do not have to guess. Kasi sa sobrang dami nitong mga, sa sobrang dami, hindi naman siya sobrang dami. Ang OA naman ng sobrang dami. But hindi naman siya sobrang dami. Ang OA naman ng sobrang dami. But dahil madami na siya, minsan nakakalimutan na natin kung ano yun. Tapos minsan, I am checking also dito sa parang description, pero minsan wala din naman, hindi naman din siya nakasulat. The shop itself is not written there. Buti na lang, obviously, I know already this one. Parang hindi ko na rin nga kailangan ng gunting. Pero for the sake na nag-effort tayong hanapin ang mahiwagang gunting, then let's use this gunting for this unboxing video. Alright? So, wow! We have this. This is matte. Okay? This is where you baka ma-notice nyo paborito ko talaga ang pink lately. This is what we call the cutting mat. Ang tawag ko, ba't parang sinukoberan ko na masyado mukha ko doon. What we call for this one is a cutting mat. And from the description that I have seen when I was looking for this one, this is a self-healing. Give me time to put an emphasis to that. They call this one as a self-healing mat. Sana all, di ba? Pero yun naman talaga kasi kailangan. Hugot. Kailangan naman talaga na you should learn to heal yourself. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng ibang tao for you to heal. Yun nga ang gusto ko rin malaman paano nila nasabi na self-healing to. Maybe if I'm going to use the hobby knife here, kahit maano ko siya, tawag dyan, accidentally, makat ko siya using the hobby knife, baka mag-heal lang siya by itself. Diba? Sana all. Diba? Sana all. Sana all. Hugot. Okay? So this is the first one. I need this one, especially I need this one, especially when I need to look if things that I'm cutting are all in its precise, tawag dyan, what do you call that? The precise, that precise part. Precise part. Precise part. Ano ba yun yung precise part? So, maingay. So, we have our cutting mat. Okay? So, we call this one as a cutting mat. Then, let's have another one. Let's have the other one. I am doing this po, randomly na lang kung nakukuha ko. Kung alin yung malapit, yun na yun. Pero hopefully, puro Gundam related essentials talaga makikita natin. What is this one? It's Polyform. What's Polyform? Polyform products. Well, let's see. While I am opening this one, I am not being represented. Charot! I am not doing this for any particular product, ha? What I have seen online, yun po ang binibili ko. The first reason, syempre, I think this is something that you should learn when you're doing online shopping. When you are doing online shopping and you're not familiar with the product that you are going to buy, say for example, it is the first time that you're going to get that product, the first thing that you have to do is to look at the review. Yun po ang una nyung titingnan, yung review. Tapos, if you're going to look at the reviews of different people and you see from the review itself na okay naman, pag nakita nyo sa review at okay din naman, that's fine, di ba? Kung okay naman, and it seems like those people who are leaving their comments or review about that product are real people, kasi usually, ito naman kasi, I feel like this is not something na feel lang ni Teacher Noy. Tapos sinasabi ko na sa inyo. Pero sometimes kasi there are people who are leaving their review kasi it's easy lang din naman talaga to leave a review, lalo na kung halimbawa online. So kung ako lang naman yung seller and I know someone, 'di ba? I can just tell someone to leave a review, and when you leave that review, like you can just say good things about this product, and you can just leave a star or whatever it is. Nanloloko ka na ng kapwa mo. You are lying to others, and you are lying also to your fellow Filipinos. Okay? So, I'm thinking that when you are going to do online shopping, lalo na there are a lot of people who are dependent into online shopping nowadays, make sure that you are going to check first the review. Okay lang din that you have to check the price kasi syempre ayaw din naman natin makabili ng mga gamit na mahal, di ba? Or baka mahanap natin another seller na cheaper siya. So, check the price, check the review. If you have known someone who is using the same kind of brand, ask them about their personal experience. Okay din naman ang mga testimony of other people. That's why you can join communities, and when you join communities like Gunpla communities, then you will be able to ask them if this thing is effective or something that you can use, diba? So this is the Tamiya cement. Again, I am not being represented by any product or any brand as of the moment. Pero kung gusto niyo akong i-represent, if you want me to endorse you, wow, endorser, joke lang. Pero yun po, in my previous videos when I'm asking you how am I going to repair yung mga broken parts and some of the things, especially if I'm going to start with new projects for my Gunpla, many of you were telling me to look for Tamiya cement and use it kasi maganda siya. Then I'm going to use this one. So I will be sharing with you a video soon wherein I am going to repair some of my Gunpla. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this one, and let's see if it is really effective. Kung una ko nga marinig ang cement, the first thing that came into my mind is the cement na hinahalo sa construction kasi laking construction ako ng tatay ko. But now, ganito pala siya. It's transparent and it looks like parang hindi nga siya masyadong parang hindi siya masyadong tawag dyan, the viscosity. Charot, viscosity. Judgment na to, ay judgment ko lang. Pero yun. So, I will be using this in the future. Oh, di ba? Parang siya yung ginagamit ng mommy ko sa mani pedi niya. Parang ginagamit. Ang smell din niya parang ganun. Hala, baka ganun din lang naman to. So, it's suitable for plastic hobby kits. There you go. Not to be taken internally. So, wag pong iinumin. Keep out of the reach of children. Buti na lang walang bata dito. Young at heart lang. Ay! Okay, so no fire poison. So, this is the Tamiya cement. And we also have this one. Another one. Sana secret. Charot. Oh, I'm hoping that this is a secret. Ano ba to, Pop Mart? Sana this is a secret. Hala, I do not know. Pero honestly talaga, hindi ko na po masyadong alam kung anong mga ito. Because some of this, dumating na sila. Ito, last month pa po ito dumating. Hindi ko lang siya na-open. Because alam mo naman, medyo busy ang matanda. Ala! Okay. Oh, yeah. Ito yung mga, anong tawag ba dito? Brush. Yeah. But, oh yeah, they don't have it. Kasi nakalagay lang naman, specialty hand tools. Napaka posh. Specialty hand tools. Oh, yan yun po. So this one, it's from Steady. Ito yung mga brush. Ito pong brush na to, hindi ko po ito gagamitin for makeup tutorial kasi hindi na po marunong mag-makeup. So para saan po ba itong mga brush na ito? Hindi ko rin po alam. Wow, astig! Meron pa siyang tingnan nyo, ang cool! Steady ha, pang malakasan ka. Pero I'm sure hindi naman ito masyadong mahal eh. I'm sure cheap lang to. Hindi siya masyadong mahal. Pero maganda yung quality niya. Ay. Pero this is nice. This one. Ang astig niya pa kasi meron siyang, tingnan nyo, pangmalakasan. Meron pa itong, so syempre, paano ko na ito may babalik, di ba? Buti na lang, nag-iisip tayo. Ganun. See?
Congratulations.
Diba taga kung gaganunin ko pa sana siya. Pero you can just do it like this one. I do not know what's the purpose of this one, so that it will not move or so that there will be no strands that will be removed from this brush. They call this one a brush. This is from Steady. Dusting brush. Yeah, that's the term. The term for this one, ang tawag po dito is dusting brush. So from the word itself, dusting, kasi ito po ay ginagamit if you are going to remove dust. Dusting brush. Yeah, that's true. I'm not kidding. You're going to use this to remove dust in your gunpla. One of these days, I'm going to show you how to clean your gunpla. And I am going to search for that also because I have been thinking talaga. I have my own ways. Madami siya kasi I've been experimenting on my own, using my own knowledge on how I'm going to do that. But unfortunately, I feel like there should be a proper way of cleaning your gunpla. And yeah, for a very long time, for the past 7 years, was it 7 years or 8 years that I am collecting gunplas, I had the idea of using brush in cleaning my gunpla kasi in time, habang tumatagal, nag-accumulate talaga siya ng napakaraming dust. Then I realized that if you are going to use cloth, babasain mo siya, or if you are going to wash also your gunpla, yung washing pa naman is already something that you should not be doing because it has, there is an instance that you are going to lose some of the small parts because of the water and it's difficult to dry it out. Kaya naisip ko talaga, di ba? Inisip ko that time, I can use something so that I can clean it. And the nearest para sa broom, walis, di ba, is paintbrush. So meron akong paintbrush for my art materials, pero na-realize ko din na iba din naman yung material iba yung nalilinisan ng paintbrush because of the kind of brush. Pero ngayon, habang tinitingnan ko siya, mas soft, okay? Mas soft ito. Ibig sabihin, if you are going to use this sa mga small parts or small gunpla, I think this will be easier. So I will have another video where I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. Okay? Then another one. So we have the cutting mat, we also have the cement, and we also have the paintbrush. Not for makeup, diba? Pero, why not, diba? You learn how to use makeup. But nowadays, there are a lot of people who are using makeup, and it's not because and makeup is not only used by women. There are also men who wants to look good, and there are makeup materials who are for men also. Kaya we do not have to judge those people who wants to use makeup, diba? Regardless of their gender. Well, so this one is the model handmade bracket. So this one is a model handmade bracket. This is nice kasi nung iniisip ko siyang bibili na ako nito kasi I cannot, it's a little difficult, especially when I am making a video, to make my gunpla pose. Kasi ang boring na din naman yung naka-standstill pose lang, tapos you just, alam mo yung mga kamay lang ang dinadirect mo to go into different places. Maganda rin that you have something like this. Wow, parang gunpla din. Kailangan mo rin siyang buukin. This one will play a very important role. And I will be sharing that to you soon. Okay? Hinihintay ko na lang yung isang bagay na yon na bibigyan ko. Alright? Term for this one, this is a model handmade bracket series. Sa madaling sabi po, para mas maintindihan ng lahat who are not familiar with the gunpla hobby or gunpla world, this one po is being used if you want your gunpla to stand in a direction that you want. If you can see, there are people who are posting their gunpla in a moving like pose. Halimbawa, nagre-reach ng something in the sky, reach for the sky, di ba? I will reach you, ganon. Or it feels like nagle-levitate. Mga ganong bagay. Maganda ito at ginagamit ito. And for my last gunpla essential, this one. Yeah, ano ba ito? Cellphone. Hindi ko na ito maalala kung ano ito. Nakasulat ba ito dito? Paano ito? Oh! Wow! This is the rotating display stand. Okay? With all honesty, coming from my heart. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, di ba ikaw naman na nag-order niyan, then you can see it naman sa sa app mo if yan yung dumating o like that. Kasi nga, na to, ang dami nang dumating at nakalimutan ko na kung alin yon. Syempre, 'di ba, pasensya naman, sorry na po, 'di ba? Sorry naman kasi pag nakakahanap po tayo ng nakakita tayo ng gamit na gusto nating bilhin online. Minsan nag-add to cart tayo tapos sinasabay-sabay natin ng pag-check out. Times na We forgot already what kind of object is that I bought. Then also, aside from forgetting that object, kasi, paano ba sabihin yan? Kasi ganito yan, pag dinideliver dito sa bahay, iniiwan na lang sa labas kasi nasa work ako, kaya ganoon. Pero this one pala is a rotating display stand. It's an electric rotating display stand. I don't want to read the words in this box kasi minsan parang mali naman, parang hindi na siya inyo. Okay? Pero ito yon. Oh, wow. Cool. Parang cake. Sinusundan pa rin ako, kahit sa Gunpla community, sinusundan ako ng cake turning table. ST. Pero ang cool niya. I was not expecting this to be this big, ha? Pero Sorry na po. Oh no. Sensya na, medyo magulo lang. I get the point. But, why is it that it's not? Hindi ba to, kailangan ba ito charge? Ito yung mahirap minsan kasi, you know what's difficult in life? When life is difficult. You know what's difficult in life? When life is difficult. Bakit Hindi type C? Walang ganun. Hindi yun uso. I'm going to check this later if it's working. Pero, this is how it works. I hope that this one is rotating also. I think it is rotating. Pero pag hindi siya gumagana, hindi rin siya nag-move. Pero hopefully, itong smaller na circle, nagro-rotate din siya. Pero hindi rin naman siya maalis. And I hope that this one, pag nilagay mo din, magro-rotate na din siya. Parang feeling ko okay. So, the reason why I bought this one, naalala ko na, is to share with you my Gunpla journey in building and of course in showing some of my Gunplas to you. And that's the reason why I bought this one. Kasi kung makikita nyo, diba, in some of my videos, na there is something happening with what I am. There is a problem, actually. Nahihirapan ako in taking videos for all of these things. Nahihirapan ako for all of these things. Pero nahihirapan ako mag-take ng video kasi lagay natin si Torty dito. Halimbawa, if it's not rotating, diba? Halimbawa, kung kamay ko lang siya. So, I have to take a video like that. Tapos yung camera angle, nag-change, diba? Pero pwede din naman yun magamit sa tripod and something like that. Pero kasi, kaya sometimes, I need to have it in different files or in different takes so that I can just adjust how big or how near and far it is. Pero with this one, kasi kung nandiyan na siya, iikot-ikot na lang di ba siya ng ganito. I'm doing it manually kasi wala akong So, tapos hindi to Gundam, hindi po ito Gunpla si Torty. Ko po ito, kasama ko lang siya matulog. Pero para nagtitake lang ako ng video, tapos umiikot-ikot na lang siya, di ba? Pajikot-jikot lang, jikot-jikot. Kumakanta ko, no? Jikot-jikot lang. Okay. So that's the purpose. Of this one. Para pag if I'm going to share with you my finished Gunpla, or if I'm going to show you something that I want you to give your comments about it, that's the purpose of this one. So these are the things that I bought. Call these things as Gunpla essentials. So ito yon. I have the cement, I have the brushes, the dusting brushes, I have the rotating thing, and I also have the cutting mat, and of course this one, yung pang stand, yung bracket that we need. So these are just some of the things that I bought that I know will definitely help me with my Gunpla hobby. And if there are some things that I haven't bought that you think will also help me into this hobby that I am parang reset. Nagkaroon ako ng reset in doing this one, and I'm starting to do it right, diba? Parang when I started doing this many years ago, I was not using any tool and not thinking of investing into these things which are essential into building Gunpla. But this time, I am determined, this 2025, diba? I am determined to do it right and share you how to do it right, diba? So hopefully that you are going to watch this video. Maraming salamat mo for all of those people who are always there watching my video, supporting me, liking my video, or even sharing it to other people. I hope that you enjoyed listening to Teacher Noy or watching all of the things that I'm doing in this vlog. And hopefully that I will still be able to have time taking videos and sharing you your vlog. Kung naiirita na po kayo at nakikita ko lagi, wag naman po. Thank you na nga, di ba? Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that I will be able to Read your comments below because I am excited to learn from you and I hope that you learned something from me. Kung hindi naman, I will learn something. Thank you so much. Goodbye everyone. Bye. Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this site. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.